Today, I'm going to show how ALTR policy applies to data accessed using Snowpark. In this database, I have a customer table containing a last name and a tokenized email address column. We're going to use a Snowpark Python script to get that data. I've set up a policy called a lock in ALTR that allows the account admin to see plain text data. For the tokenized email column, this policy will automatically detokenize the email column when the account admin accesses it. Here we can see that we received plain text back as that account admin role. But we don't want all roles to have access to that plain text data. So I've set up another policy in here, another lock, called sysadmin masked, that says the sysadmin is allowed to see the last name column, but with a full mask, meaning it'll preserve the length of the original values, but will not show the individual characters. And I have no permission to detokenize that data. So here I'll switch to the sysadmin role, and when I run this Python script, we should expect to see masked and tokenized data. We'll see the results here have that fully masked last name column and that tokenized email address column. This policy is super easy to change. Let's say, for example, we wanted the sysadmin to be able to now see these tokenized email address columns. We can go ahead and do that here. Adding to our lock the email column with no mask, updating the lock, and then we'll just run that script again. And we can see when the results come back that now we will see those plain text email addresses for the sysadmin. So this does leave us with one problem, which is what if this account admin or sysadmin wanted to grab millions of these email addresses at one time, or whatever the column may be, social security numbers, bank account numbers, sensitive data. Well, this we can solve with a threshold or a data rate limit. So I've set in this threshold that the sysadmin, if they try to get more than 90 records per minute, will block that query and block that user out of the sensitive data. So we can see here with this threshold limit on, if the sysadmin tries to access with a limit 10, we'll have no problem getting that data back because it's under our data rate limit. But if we switch that to a limit 100, breaking our data rate limit, we can see that the sysadmin will then see tokens back and we'll see nulls for the masked column.